Hey everybody!
Hi guys!
So do you love a good juicy burger?
Do you love really fresh salmon?
You do? Well then you're gonna love our
Salmon burgers! Yay! Now these babies are literally exploding with amazing flavor.
And they just so happen to also be a more healthy alternative to beef.
One bite and you'll be hooked.
So welcome back to How to Feed a Loon, everybody. I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My hook, line, and sinker loon.
Oh, well that's what I did. That's what you did to me.
Yeah, well,
that's what I did to you.
You were a catch, that's for sure. So let's get started. Let's make salmon burgers.
Let's do it. Oh wow, so we've got our trusty food processor here, and we have a pound of deliciously fresh salmon. Now we got this from our fishmonger, and he took off the skin, and obviously there's no bone or anything.
Ask him to remove the skin, and you don't want any bones.
Yeah, so I'm going to put in a third of this pound just to begin with. We're gonna pulverize it so that it's like a paste almost.
Yeah, you can make it very, very smooth.
Yes, so I'm just gonna pulse it. Oh, that looks good.
That's not good.
All right, so we've got that. Do you think oh no, that's good.
That looks good. That looks good. This sort of it sort of initiates the binding.
Yeah,
what's going to happen?
It helps bind it together. Yeah.
Yeah.
So now we have the rest of the salmon. We're just going to shove that in there.
And this we just cut into just chunks.
Yeah.
We want our salmon burger to not be just like real pasty. We want it to have some like chunks of salmon.
Totally. So. Now we're going to put in some other delicious stuff. We've got a quarter cup of chopped parsley.
Yes.
And then we have 2 cloves of garlic. Love it.
Those are good old heaping cloves of garlic.
Yes.
So if you like garlic, do 3.
I love it, especially in that salmon burger.
That's right.
Now we have a half a lemon. We want the juice of that.
Yep.
So good.
The flavors of this are ridiculous.
There's brightness to that. And then we have 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. This is actually another, oops, Chris, I just flung some mayonnaise.
Oh, well, that's not the first time
split.
Our walls.
I love my mayonnaise.
I know you do.
And now I've got a teaspoon of Dijon. I love the Dijon.
Yes, it gives such a beautiful flavor.
Yes. All right, that, and now we've got a teaspoon of salt.
Kosher salt.
And then a healthy pinch of pepper. Look at me, Ma, I'm cooking.
This is so easy and so good. Now,
Now, this is you're gonna do. You don't want to like totally pulverize the chunks of salmon. You like to keep some chunks in there. So we're gonna do about 7 pulses. 1, 2. That was a long pulse.
That's okay.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think that's good.
That's good. Open it up and take a look.
I get nervous.
I know he does.
I'm a heavy pulser.
He really is. He's heavy on his pulsing.
What do you think, Chris?
I think that looks great. You want some chunks.
Wonderful. All right, now I'm handing it over to Chris.
So this next part you could do in the bowl of your food processor, but we just think it's a little easier. Plus, it's for me to show you this.
Yes.
Thank you for taking. I don't know what you're gonna do with it.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it back in there.
Okay. Okay. So we're just gonna transfer this. We're not done adding flavor enhancers.
No.
Oh, look at that. It's so good. Oops. Okay. Now we've got some roasted red pepper. This is a half a cup that I've just roughly chopped.
I love this. It's like a little flavor explosion in every bite.
It is. That sounds familiar. I think you've said that before. And then we've got some panko breadcrumbs. This is a quarter cup. This, again, is just going to help the salmon stay together when we're cooking it.
So good.
We're
so good.
Mix all of this together. It's just, it is so good. I'm telling you, if you're not a salmon burger
those
lover,
chunks good?
They're great chunks. I've never seen better chunks. Okay, so now what we've got right here, I've got a link to this on the blog post. These are just little cutters that you can use to form.
They're great.
If you don't have those, if you have a hamburger patty form, that's great. If you can use the jar of a mason lid, anything to kind of help you create a patty. But even if you don't have that, you can just form it with your hands and just do this. So this is going to make 4 decent sized patties.
Yes.
Or you can make 3 really large ones. But we like to do them. I'm going to use my hands and then I'm going to wash them.
We're all going to wash our hands after this.
Yes. And so we're going to I'm going to do either 3 or 4 of these. And then it's real important that you chill them. They need to kind of firm back up. So I would say anywhere from 20 minutes. The other great thing is you can even do these 24 hours in advance. So if you got friends coming over the next day, get this and man, they're going to go out on the grill and they're going to be great.
Oh, yay. All right. Let's make these burgers.
Okay,
All right.
it's getting close to grill time,
Yes.
baby. Okay, so we're like I said,
That looks fabulous.
It
That
does.
looks so
Don't
good.
you see the big chunks in there? That's what you like. So we're just doing 2. We're keeping the other 2 that I told you we're going to do them tomorrow. We love these so much we eat them every day.
Yes.
Okay. Now I should also tell you we're going to grill this. If you're going, I don't recommend putting these patties directly on the grates of the grill, just because although they're going to firm up, it's fish, so they're going to want to fall apart.
crumbly, yeah.
You don't want to do that. So if you have this is a grill pan that I've got right here. I've got a link to one of these in the blog post. Or you can certainly do this also in your skillet. Lots of people do that, and we just think it's fun doing it on the grill.
Yeah.
Okay.
You sprayed it, and then we took those out.
I sprayed it, and then I should say when I formed those, I put them on parchment paper. I didn't say that earlier. And then just you get a spatula and kind of use your hands to help. When it's cold, that makes it easier to transfer, and you just transfer it into either your skillet or into your pan.
Yes.
We got our grill cranked up. We got some brioche buns that we're going to grill
Yes.
too, and these need to cook to, I would say, anywhere from you could go as low as 125, but let's be safe and do 135 to 140, 145. We want these cooked through. We don't even want getting sick. And this is a little instant read thermometer that I've got here that I use to help ensure that. But if you go 7 minutes per side, you should be really golden good.
All right.
Speaking of
Let's
golden
do
good,
it.
let's go
Come
cook
on.
up some salmon burgers.
Talking too much.
Oh
Yes.
my gosh, beautiful. We are building a better burger, I tell you what.
Yes.
So,
I love the weather outside is so lovely right now,
delightful.
and so this just makes it even better.
I know. So we took these out to the grill. We put them over the direct heat, let them go for about 7 minutes, and then I just came over and with my spatula and maybe help with your hand a little bit, just flip them over. They should flip, no problem. And then let them go. I let them go for another 7 minutes. If they're really thick, if you make them thick, use that thermometer and make sure that you get them cooked all the way through.
135.
And 135, 140. Okay. If it's 145, that's okay.
Yeah.
And when I did the old flip, I put these buns on there.
Yes.
These were buttered brioche buns. Brioche buns do not take a long time to toast.
It's like instantly.
So keep an eye on them. Now this, folks, I'm telling you, this right here, this is my garlic rosemary aioli.
Yes.
This stuff is so good you're going to want to drink it. I've got the link to the recipe in the blog post.
It's so good.
It is heavenly and complements these burgers.
Totally.
Good. All right, I'm going to build you a burger right now.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
I was wondering what you did.
I'm gonna, I gotta do my condiments.
Yum.
Okay. This is so good. And then you build it just like you do a normal burger. I could have put the lettuce on bottom, but that's okay.
Actually, yes. Here, let me just do this.
Okay.
Put that lettuce on the bottom, please.
Okay. Wesley has
Thank you.
a method to the way he likes his. I'm just gonna.
I'm sorry, I do.
I know.
And a couple of onions.
And then we're gonna put some onion on there.
There we go.
Oh, this is so great, so beautiful. Okay, and then we're gonna
Yes.
top it off. I'm gonna hand this over to you.
Wonderful. Here's your plate.
Oh, okay, that's yours.
Yes.
Yay! Look how good. Besides being, we'll see how delicious they are. But they're also just beautiful.
Look, y'all. Look at that. Look at that wonderfulness. It's gonna go in my mouth now.
I know.
Yay!
I'm salivating for salmon. Isn't it? I know. I mean, we're burger fanatics, but I tell you what.
That is so fresh. Oh, there's just something special about it.
I know.
You know? Oh, and all the herbs that we put in there.
And
well,
so-
the garlic and
So the Loon is a little, he loves seafood, but he doesn't want anything to be too fishy tasting.
Right,
Sometimes
right.
salmon can be fishy tasting.
That is so
how
good.
How do you feel about that?
It's wonderful. And you know what? I forgot.
What?
A little squirt of lemon on top. Would
Oh,
have been
yeah.
real good.
That's good too. We like to do that too.
Y'all, look at that. That is, sorry. Oh, wow. Look everything about it.
And that aioli. I know.
That's 1,000% Loon approved.
I cannot believe he's eating a salmon burger and it got 1,000.
It's so good. Just tomato, the way that aioli is so good. Aioli. That aioli is so good. Y'all, really, this is so good.
That is amazing. I just can't believe it. If you're a seafood eater, you are gonna flip for this. Even if you're not a seafood eater, you're gonna love it. You know what? Another great salmon dish that we love to make is poached salmon with hollandaise sauce.
So good. Or another good dish, fish dish is our Mediterranean red snapper.
Incredible.
So good.
And links to all the recipes on the blog.
Yes,
all right.
PeterLoon.com.
Bye everybody.
Bye everybody.
Big salmon burger.